Fairies and dwarfs, please come around. We have a story that's about to start. Fairies and dwarfs, please come around. We have a story that's about to start. Today, Mary and Paul are full of energy. It's springtime. The sun looks bright in the sky, and sometimes it rains. And colorful rainbows come out. They decided to go outdoors to plant some seeds. Paul, what do we need? Oh, we need soil, seeds, sunlight, and water. Okay, I have 4 seeds. Look. 1 seed, 2 seeds, 3 seeds, and 4 seeds. Maybe some flowers will bloom out of them. This is so good. Let's start. First, we have the soil, and we just need to dig 4 holes, 1 for each seed. 1 hole, 2 holes, 3 holes, and 4 holes. Now we put each seed inside each hole. We pour the water and we let the sunlight do its work. After some days passed by, flowers started to bloom. Oh, look, Paul, look! We have 3 beautiful flowers. A yellow one, a red one, a purple one. But where's our 4th seed? What could have happened with it? They looked around and realized that it didn't bloom. Even though this made them very sad, Paul and Mary looked at each other and thought, well, we have 3 beautiful plants with their amazing flowers. This is part of life. Now we're going to take care of the 3 flowers that we have here. Mary and Paul learned a beautiful lesson. When you love and take care of nature, nature feels gratitude and gives its beauty back in return. The end.